Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy review. Today we'll be taking a look at the new Primal Attack 2020 Triceratops and Charlie figure. So right off the bat, the Charlie figure is a repaint of the blue figure that came out in 2019 for the Dinorivals lineup, and it has a really neat feature where its claws swipe when you press on this little back button. And I love the colors. The dark green stripes and the green main base color are really nice. The toes are painted, toenails. The inside of the mouth is painted, the teeth are painted, the eyes are nice, though the pupil color is the same color as the skin. They just left that kind of unpainted, but it gives the same effect, which is nice. And the mouth, you can close it. The head is on a kind of ball joint, so you can rotate it around, make it look up and down. And you can stand the figure up like this, or make it horizontal. And the tail's kind of, it's hard plastic, but you can move it around. Comparing it to its original, I know there was a solid plastic Charlie that came out, and it has a slightly different color. Its nails are unpainted, and it's got a more darker back color. I do enjoy both the figure's colors and stances, so it's hard to decide which one's the best version of the figure, and they're definitely both worth a pickup. Now, the Triceratops, it has a very interesting feature. Originally I thought the figure would be fully controlled by the tail, like the head would be able to swivel around while up or down, but it turns out you can just rotate the head in place side to side, and up and down. You can't rotate it up and then turn it. The head kind of gets locked in place when it's up, but when it's down you can rotate it. So it's only got those two motions instead of a full rotation, which is kind of sad. The head's a little underpainted, it's all one color with the nose and the beak, though the horns and around the outside of the frill are painted white. The stance, it has the bent front legs, so it's kind of lower down, and it comes with those three sound effects. Now, compared to the original trike with its legs straight and a lot of color on the face, you can see there's color around the eyes and the beak and different colors on the frill. This figure just has the color on the horns and around the frill, though it does have this darker color scheme on the back and then some greens as well, fading into the same color as the head. So I do like that gradual color scheme and this more natural coat to it. It definitely does fit in with the new 2020 lineup, as a lot of the figures are more colorful. This one brings it down to earth similar to the Pteranodon, with the dark earthy themes. This figure is not one of my favorites from the new lineup, but I do like the fact that you can rotate its head side to side. It's a pretty neat feature to have in a Triceratops. That's relatively it with these two figures. Both are pretty decent, and both are definitely worth a pickup. So I hope you guys liked this little review, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.